If you're considering VWO for your digital marketing efforts, there are a few important things you need to know before making the decision. I'll break down 7 key points that will help you understand whether VWO is the right fit for you and how it compares to some of its competitors in the market. First up, VWO offers a comprehensive A/B testing platform that allows you to experiment with different website variations and optimize conversion rates. If you're already using tools like Optimizely or Google Optimize, VWO might offer you more flexibility with its visual editor. It's really beginner-friendly, making it easier to implement changes without needing much technical know-how. The drag-and-drop editor is intuitive, meaning even small businesses or teams without developers can run tests quickly. But, and this is important, it's still robust enough to accommodate advanced users. Next thing to keep in mind is VWO's heat map capabilities. Heat maps help you see exactly where visitors are clicking, moving, and scrolling. While other tools like Hotjar or Crazy Egg offer similar features, VWO's heat maps integrate seamlessly with the rest of its A/B testing and analytics tools. So, if you're serious about conversion optimization, you get a comprehensive picture in one place. The third thing you need to know is how VWO handles its customer support. In my experience, VWO is known for offering solid customer service. Whether you're new to A/B testing or running advanced experiments, their support team is helpful, responsive, and available through multiple channels. This level of service stands out when compared to some of the bigger players, where customer support can often feel impersonal or hard to reach. Another key point is VWO's pricing model. It's subscription-based, and they do offer a range of plans depending on the size of your business. This can be great for smaller companies, but it's important to note that some competitors like Google Optimize are free and others have lower starting costs. That said, the additional features VWO provides, like multivariate testing, split URL testing, and a robust analytics suite, may justify the higher price point if you're serious about growth. The fifth thing to consider is how well VWO integrates with other tools in your marketing stack. It's great if you're already using platforms like Google Analytics, Shopify, or Salesforce because VWO offers a solid range of integrations. For larger teams, this can be a game changer since it simplifies how you bring all your data together in one place. However, some competitors like Optimizely have more advanced integrations, which might be a better fit for enterprise-level businesses. Now, one thing to note about VWO is that while it's a solid tool for A/B testing, it may not be as feature-rich in areas like personalization and user targeting when compared to other platforms. For example, Adobe Target and Dynamic Yield offer more sophisticated targeting options, which could give you deeper insights into user behavior and allow for more tailored experiences. However, for many businesses, VWO's straightforward features are more than enough. The last thing I'll mention is the free trial. VWO offers a trial period, and it's definitely worth taking advantage of. It gives you an opportunity to explore all of the features risk-free and see how the platform performs with your specific needs. If you're curious to test it out, I've got a special link in the description below that'll give you access to the best free trial for VWO with some exclusive benefits. So before you commit, it's worth giving the trial a go. If you're looking to really optimize your site and improve conversions, VWO could be the right tool for you. It's powerful, easy to use, and integrates well with your existing marketing stack. But if you're only interested in basic A/B testing or just need a budget-friendly option, you might want to explore other tools first. To try out VWO for yourself and get some exclusive benefits, click the first link in the description below to start your free trial today.